In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an extra $1,000 per month on Craigslist with CPA marketing in 2019. This method will work if you've never made money online before, and most definitely by the end of this tutorial, you will definitely be able to see your first dollar online if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, the first thing you might ask before we even start is, doesn't CPA networks hate Craigslist traffic? Normally, they do not allow Craigslist traffic, I'm gonna be honest, but there's a perfect workaround to it that I've been using for the last year or two promoting on Craigslist. One thing you gotta know about just any traffic that you're driving, CPA networks love converting traffic. So if you're sending 10 clicks and half of those are conversions, they're not ever gonna complain. If anything, they're gonna tell you to send more traffic. I actually got emails like that a bunch of times. The best funnels that work with Craigslist is using one or two, using number one or number two, which is from the ad to your own capture page to a bridge page and then the offer. Or number two, a bridge page, a pre-sale page, and then the offer. It's two similar things. Both of the funnels, they almost the exact same, except the first one, you'll be capturing people's emails and following up with them. Honestly, the number one strategy, the first strategy is the one that works the best, because when you can follow up with people, you can send them other offers and make more money on the back end. Now, with the second strategy, you just basically banking on that first, just hoping that they sign up the first time seeing it. So like I said, for this tutorial, I'm gonna go with the second strategy just to speed it up. Now, the things you will need for this tutorial is at least a landing page builder, and an autoresponder is optional. Now, the landing page builder I use is Instant Builder. I've been using it for years, hasn't failed me once, so I'm always rolling with that. And it's only a one-time fee, so that's even better. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description. Now, the autoresponder is optional, like I said. My autoresponder choice is always GetResponse. I've been using that for the longest time. Now, when you posting your ads on Craigslist, I found that short ad copies work the best when I'm using a couple emojis. So, I mean, it's just something about it. Like, every time I'm scrolling down, checking out the competitors' ad copies and stuff, everybody's ads look the same. So I basically just did the opposite of that and use no more than 4 or 5 words with a couple of emojis, one at the end and one at the front and one at the end. So let's actually head over to Craigslist and set up the ad live. Now that we're on Craigslist, let's set it up. Go hit create a posting. Wayne County. I'm posting in Detroit, so let's see. Gig offered. I want to hire someone. Now, when I'm posting my ads, I always like to go with labor gigs because I get the most replies posting in this section. Or, like I said, I like to use emojis in the website I go to get emojis. If you're not doing it on your phone, I always go to Emojipedia. You say fire emoji. All you gotta do is search, and they got literally like all the emojis that you'll see on your phone. I like using a fire one, man. It stands out. So we could go with 75 from your smartphone with another fire emoji. Short and sweet, 75 from your smartphone with the fire emojis. I promise you, using ad copies like this is gonna stand out. Now, for the body, we can go with excellent job for people looking to generate say expect to earn $275 a day or per day. So let's put a day. Must be good in English and online savvy to be considered. Please reply for more info. Perfect. Pay, put 75. So I'm filling in all this information. Go to the next page. Now you can use images if you want. I normally don't, but I feel like if you was gonna use images, just find like a clean money picture. A clean money picture. You can go on Google and search for one. Don't get the ones that's all blurry and stuff, man. It's gonna look spammy and stuff, and nobody gonna reply. So, like I said, if you can't find a good picture, just don't even use the image at all. So, I'm gonna hit done with images, and then, as you know, Craigslist did roll out an update earlier this year. Now where they charge for posting the gig section, services, and a bunch of other sections. So I think it ranged from like $5 to $10. You could look at it as a con, but I look at it like a pro because that's gonna weed out a lot of people. That's gonna weed out a lot of my competition. So that's even better for me. It's only $5. Whenever I post on Craigslist, I normally make at least 5 times that. So, I'm a profit, man. Simple, easy money. So what I'm gonna do is actually publish it and go check my email, confirm it, and pay for it. So I'll get back with y'all. So yeah, once the ad is live and everything, you start getting replies, I like to send something like this. Thanks for inquiring. Please follow the steps in a short video and create your free account to get started. And under that, I put the website, my website, of course. All right, so when they click the link from my email, they go to a website similar to this. Attention Craigslist job seekers, free video, how to make an extra $75 a day by reviewing top brands products. For compensation, new members get a sign-up bonus today only. And when they hit continue, they're going from the bridge page, which is this page, to the pre-sale page where I have a simple and short video. I did not make this video. I swiped it off of YouTube. All I did was search success system review. Took the video, uploaded it to InstaBuilder, and we was rolling. Like I said, it's only 3 things on this page. You got an image, a video, and another image. Which, if you was making this, you would put your affiliate link in this button, and when they click get started, open a new tab and actually go to the offer. Now, since I already clicked on the button a few times, they redirected me to another offer. But yeah, that's pretty much how it would go. Now that strategy will definitely have you seeing your first dollar online up to $1,000 per month, like I promised in the video. But if you want to make over $1,000 per month on Craigslist, you have to be able to change your IP address when your accounts get flagged, because when you're doing the BizOp ads, or really any ads, man, the chances are high you getting the account flagged to where you can't post again. So you have to be able to change to new IP addresses. You got to be able to have new phone numbers to bypass the verification. Got to be able to have new emails and a new card, because every time an account get flagged, you won't be able to use that same card ever again. So yeah, man, if you want to know how to do that, I will leave the training down below. Should be the first link in the description if you want to check that out. Yeah, of course, if you like this video, drop a like, leave your feedback down below in the comment section. I reply to everything. Let me know, man. Have you tried this method out before? Are you currently doing it? How's it working for you, man? Let me know. Of course, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Big Figures, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I like to upload 2 to 3 quality videos per week, covering CPA affiliate marketing. Yeah, man, that's all I got for this video, and I'm out.